Hi everyone, this is Timber Sharma, life transformational coach and a healer. So once again I am here with the another course that is Victim to Victor. So the tagline of this course is Victim to Victor. If you are in the victim mode, if you are connected with your victim story and you want to become the victor of your life, you can join my sessions, right? And the sessions are for 3 months, right? Last year मैंने sessions लिए थे for 3 months and people experience huge transformation. And last year और इस साल में क्या फ़र्क है? I worked on myself a lot. बहुत मैंने अपने ऊपर वर्क किया है, बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखी हैं, बहुत सारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई है रिगार्डिंग फेमिनिन, रिगार्डिंग मस्कुलिन एनर्जी, रिगार्डिंग शेडो वर्क, रिगार्डिंग इनर चाइल्ड हीलिंग, रेकी हीलिंग, कॉर्ड कटिंग हीलिंग एंड एग्जैक्ट हाउ टू अट्रैक्ट एनीथिंग बाय यूजिंग लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को एग्जैक्टली फॉलो कैसे करना है, कैसे हम अपने डिज़ायर को मैनिफेस्ट कर सकते हैं. आई लर्न एवरी सिंगल थिंग. और जो लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है ये सब बाय प्रोडक्ट है. लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन को कभी मैंने सीखा नहीं, सो ये बाय प्रोडक्ट है. बट ऑल द मोडेलिटीज आई हैव लर्न ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट 6-7 months. सो विक्टिम और विक्टर, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ विक्टिम स्टोरी. देयर लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल, मैक्सिमम पीपल आर playing the victim story. They are going outside, they are sharing with other people. अरे मेरे साथ ऐसे हो गया है, ऐसे है, ऐसे है, ऐसे है, ऐसे चल रहा है, आई एम सफरिंग अ लॉट, राइट. फिर उसके बाद क्या होता है, जो आप किसी पर्सन को बोलते हो, वट यू एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन, द एक्सेप्टेंस. एंड इफ़ यू, अगर आपको वो एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं मिलती, you will resent on that person, you will become the angry person. But we have no idea, everyone is wounded on this planet earth, right? We have no idea, maximum people are suffering. And if you tell your story to other person and that person also have the same wound, and that person will get triggered and that person will reject you by saying that this is not true and this story is not true, right? The pain you are showing is just fake and you are doing this, and also you will get more triggered. You will say that I can't, you will say that अरे I am not able to trust anyone because लोग यहाँ पे समझ ही नहीं रहे. मैंने कितने दोस्त थे, मेरे कितने फ्रेंड्स थे जिसके साथ मैंने शेयर करा that I am suffering, I am feeling that I am mentally unstable, I am becoming mentally unstable, I am feeling depressed, I am feeling angry, I am feeling jealous, I am feeling that competition of feeling of competition is becoming growing higher and higher within me. But people will not understand you because they are not the healed souls, they are also the wounded soul. And that's why you suffer a lot and you also put another person into the suffering because you are not able to see another person because you are not seeing yourself. So victim story, the thing is कि जब हम बार बार अपने आप को बताते हैं कि अरे आई एम दी वन, मेरे साथ ऐसे हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ऐसे हो रहा है, मेरे साथ ऐसे हो रहा है, and you are too attached with that victim story that you don't want to let go of because if you feel कि अगर ये नहीं है तो who I am, because you really don't know who you really are, right? So that's why people play the victim story again and again and again. So the victor story, by healing ourselves, I'm not saying कि हाँ सीधा आप बैठ के लिख दो आज से मैं अपनी स्टोरी चेंज कर रही हूँ और सीधा ऐसे कहानी लिख दो कि ऐसे हूँ ऐसे हूँ. You will not be able to connect with that story because there are lots of wounds and there are lots of pain inside of you. Lots of anger, emotion, suffering is inside of you, especially from the childhood and also from the past lives. So right for now, just let go of the past life. We are going to talk on the childhood version of you. So if you have experienced the traumatic childhood का मतलब ये नहीं है आपके साथ बहुत गलत हो then it is traumatic. Traumatic वो भी हो सकता है when you are not seen, felt and appreciated by your family. That is also traumatic childhood, right? And if you are not loved by your family, your mother, let me tell you, the two most important persons in our life, that is mother and father. If you have father and mother on your birth and if you are not welcomed by them, if they felt that you are their mistake and they make you feel that you are not so lucky and they make you feel that because of you we are suffering, otherwise हम free होते and all, that means you are feeling rejected. You got rejected and you created the sense of self that is rejected, that everyone is going to reject me no matter what. So this thing, and if you are not loved by your mother, if you are not felt by your mother, if you are not seen by your mother, if you are not appreciated by your mother, you will reject every woman on the planet earth. You will see all the women as a competition. You will see all the women that आजकल हमने कितना सुना है, अरे लड़कियां अच्छी नहीं होती, लड़के अच्छे होते हैं दोस्ती में, लड़कियां बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं होती, बिकॉज देयर आर मैक्सिमम वुमेन्स हु हैव मदर वुंड. सो अगर वो चीज़ नहीं होती, इफ़ यू आर क्रिटिसाइज बाय योर प्राइमरी केयर गिवर, राइट, बाय योर मदर और योर फादर, you are the overthinker one. You are the one who have lots of negative self-talk. And if your family judged you in childhood, you are the one who judged, अपने आप को बहुत जज करते हो गए, बहुत अपने आप को सोचते हो गए कि अरे यार मैं कुछ गलत ना कर दूँ, मुझे ध्यान से करना है, लाइक ओवर एक्टिव हो जाना और ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव हो जाना, ओवर थिंकर बन जाना. So and the another one is, if you are like a perfectionist type of personality, there are lots of people who say I really love the clean things. I really appreciate all the person, but there is some wound behind it. The perfection is a wound that I really want to be perfect so that everyone can validate you, because in childhood आपके parents आपको validate तभी करते थे जब आप perfect होते थे. जब आप imperfect होते थे, they must rejected you. They never allowed your creativity out. So that's why you started becoming perfect, so that they can see you as a good child. Lots of people have good girl and good boy syndrome. They really want to be the good girl, good boy, and because of that they lose their own identity, and they start living their life according to the society, according to the family. And just because of this, maximum people go into the depression, go into the anxiety, go into the frustration, and they go into the bad habits. They use different drugs, they use another activity just to keep themselves busy, because there is no self for them. And they try to they go out, they try to find other people, they go into the relationship one after another. And अगर कोई relationship है भी है तो वो इतना ही like इतनी pain है उसमें, still they are not able to let go of that pain. They are like, no, we have to do it, I really want to achieve that thing and all. So it's just because they have no sense of self. They lose their entire sense of self since childhood only. So this is all about the childhood, right? So it's only 1% that I have shared with you all. There are lots of stories, there are lots of people who are suffering from it since childhood. उनका सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट बन जाता है, बिकॉज जैसे जैसे हमें बताया जाता है हम वैसे वैसे बन जाते हैं. जैसे बताया कि यू आर दिस, घर वालों ने बोला, फॉर एग्जाम्पल घर वालों ने मुझे बोला दैट यू आर डिम्पल. आई एक्सेप्टेड दैट आई एम डिम्पल, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम आई डोंट हैव एनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग और कुछ कि हाँ क्या है क्या नहीं. सो ये तो चलो मेरा नाम है. अगर और भी कुछ बोला गया दैट यू आर नॉट लकी, यू आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज फंड्स, यू आर दिस, तो वो सारा ही मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्सेप्ट बन गया. एंड आई एम थिंकिंग एट द एंड देयर इज समथिंग बैड विद इन मी. And lots of people suffer from this. They think that there is something bad in them, right? Or they are trying to change themselves. They are trying to see tell other people that how good they are, see their worth. They are doing people pleasing, or they are trying to control. They are becoming narcissists, that who I am, whatever I am, this is who I am, and I'm not going to change myself. You have to change yourself according to me. So this is about the inner child healing. If you are suffering from all these things, if you are feeling connected, you can join, you should join. Otherwise you will suffer. After that your family will suffer. After that your kids will suffer, and this thing will go on till generations. And if you are thinking that I want to be the best ancestors who change the entire cycle of generation, then this is you have to take step for your generations, right? Or you can change the entire story. You are the creator and you have to change it. Otherwise you are, जितना भी आप मर्जी कोशिश कर लो, जैसे आपकी फैमिली में आपको सिखाया गया है वैसे ही आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाओगे, दैट बिकमिंग लिमिटेड, बिकमिंग नॉट थिंकिंग दिस, ऐसे क्रिएटिव नहीं सोचना है, बिकमिंग सो लॉजिकल, सो स्टडी ओरिएंटेड, जस्ट ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए और इसके अलावा कुछ और नहीं होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज यू विल बिकम लाइक दैट and you will not able to see the true potential that you have inside of you. Every single human have the huge potential, but they are trained in that way कि उनको दिखता ही नहीं है, उनको इंट्यूशंस आती नहीं है, वो अपने आप को देख ही नहीं पाते that who they really are, right? So you should join the sessions so that you can change as a person. How healing can help you and your entire family. So as you all know, the DNA, we have the DNA inside of us, the cells and all, it's coming from generations. From your DNA come from your parents, then from parents to 50% from father, 50% from mother. After that ऊपर grandmother and grandfather, paternal grandfather and grandmother, and maternal grandfather and grandmother. So you are holding DNA and DNA hold memories. So DNA hold memories, stories, trauma, sufferings, whatever they have, वो सारा DNA में है. So when we do the healing, we change our DNA and entire story change around you. I see this thing like जो DNA वाली बात है अपनी फैमिली में मैंने देखा है. As soon as I started healing myself, हमारी फैमिली में, entire family में till now there is no one who is into the spirituality and meditation. And they used to think like कि अरे ये तो 50 साल के बाद है, 60 या 80 years के बाद करने वाली चीज़ होती है, अभी नहीं करते. जब when I started meditation around 6 to 7 years ago, and lots of people used to say me that why are you doing this, ये तो एज के बाद होती है, ये तो बूढ़ों का काम है, ओल्ड एज वालों का काम है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम अपना ये करो. तो एज लाइक मतलब मेरे को ठीक करना था किसी भी हिसाब से, बिकॉज मेरे को पता था आई वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था. तो एट एनी कॉस्ट आई रियली वांटेड टू हील माई सेल्फ. उस टाइम में मुझे पता भी नहीं था हील, बट आई रियली वांटेड कि मैं फ्री रह पाऊँ, मैं अपने आप में रह पाऊँ, मुझे अपनी आइडेंटिटी पता हो. दैट्स वाई आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग मेडिटेशंस एंड ऑल, एंड आई स्टार्टेड हीलिंग माई सेल्फ. एंड एज सुन एज आई स्टार्टेड हीलिंग माई सेल्फ, my family is changing automatically. Entire family, like my father, my mother, my brother, everyone who is connected with me, the blood relation we can say, they are changing themselves automatically. I'm not saying anything to them कि ऐसे करो. No, I don't say anything to anyone, because I believe कि जब किसी person का time होगा तभी वो person करेगा, otherwise नहीं करेगा. That's it. Or as soon as I started working on my healing things and all, lots of things start coming, lots of trauma, lots of things started coming on the surface level, and I worked a lot. I say that I worked a lot for healing myself. I sat with myself for 8 to 9 hours in the meditation. I just be with myself so that I can understand myself, right? So I did lots of things, and right now my entire family is into the spirituality. They are doing meditations and all. My mother, my father, they get up at 3:30 or 4, they do meditations and all, and I never said anything to them, and they use manifestation technique. They feel gratitude, they pay gratitude to the universe, they say thank you before eating food. Otherwise I used to before eating, I used to say thank you to the universe. I used to pray, and I started this practice I think 3 or 4 years ago, and my brother and everyone around me like ये पता नहीं क्या मंत्र कर रही है and all. So they used to make fun of me कि पता नहीं क्या कर रही है पानी पीने से पहले, कुछ भी करने से पहले, because this is my habit. Before I eat anything, I just say thank you to the universe. I say thank you to the person who is providing me. I say thank you to the money. Because of money I'm able to eat that, right? So I say thank you to every single thing जिसकी वजह से 1-2 मिनट लग जाता है. So but right now my entire family is doing it because they saw the change in me, and that's why they started doing it. So if you really want to change your entire family, especially the blood relation, your kids, right, and your parents, your siblings, believe me, it's going to create magic in your life. And it's also change your husband, because there is karma, right? हस्बैंड इन लॉज एंड ऑल, बिकॉज देर इज़ वी आर शेयरिंग सम कर्मा एंड ऑल. जब हम अपने कर्मा को चेंज करते जाते, कैंसिल करते कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स को बाय आस्किंग फॉर द फॉरगिवनेस, बाय एक्नॉलेजिंग द पेन एंड ऑल, वो चीज़ वहीं पे ख़त्म हो जाती है. तो हमारे अंदर बहुत चेंज आता है. तो जिसके लिए हमारे पार्टनर और हमारे फैमिली, इन लॉज एंड ऑल, उनमें भी चेंजेस आने लग जाते हैं. So if you really feel like that, I really want to change my story, I have done with the victim story that I'm playing since so long, and I really want to create the best life, I really want to become the best, then you must do this healing course, healing and manifestation course, where I am hand holding every single person. I am talking to them, I am texting, I am replying them on the WhatsApp, so that I'm asking them different questions, so that they get clarity, like what they really want. Everyone just say I want this, but in reality they don't know what they really want, right? So I am doing all these things, and I only have 5 to 10 slots, because I'm going to work only with 10 to 15 people, not more than that, because I really want to work with the cream who really want to change themselves, who really ready to invest in themselves, whether it is time wise, whether it is financial wise, who really have the patience and dedication. And if you really want, if you think that you have that dedication, if you think that you have that patience, WhatsApp me on my number that I will share in the description, and join me for the 3 months journey. You will become the changed person, you will become the better person. And if you think if you are new on my YouTube channel, then saw the videos, my videos from last 2 years, I am uploading the videos, you can check like how I changed myself. Like ऐसे नहीं कि मैं change करने के बाद पहले की बात कर रही हूँ, आप videos में भी observe करोगे कि every video is changed. I am becoming better, I am talking better, I am sharing different aspect of me. Just saw the videos. If you are feeling connected, if you really feel like I really want to do it, then join the session. And yes, one more thing, those who really wanted to become the healer, the coaches, I am going to like उन लोगों के साथ ही मैं healing और coaching का काम करूँगी. Next mostly probably in November or December I am bringing the healing course, right? Those who want to become the healer, but for that it's mandatory to work on yourself first, right? There are lots of people who say कि अरे नहीं हम I believe if you are healed, you will be able to help other person, because healing में क्या होता है, we are going to hear their stories, people are going to share their stories, and if you have the wounds inside of you, open wounds, you will get triggered and you will get more fearful. You will feel like I am not able to deliver properly, I am not able to say anything to any person, I am feeling fearful and all. So it's very important, if you really want to become the healer, it's very important to heal yourself first to some extent, right? So those who really wanted to do certification courses under me, then join the session. The 3-month session journey is very important, so that you can understand yourself. जितना आप अपने आप को समझोगे उतना ही आप लोगों को समझ पाओगे, जितना आप अपने आप को हील करोगे उतना ही आप लोगों को हेल्प कर पाओगे हीलिंग में, जितना आप अपने आप को प्यार करोगे उतना ही आप लोगों को प्यार कर पाओगे. It's all start with us only. And let me share with you one more thing, that is law of attraction is already shared by महात्मा गांधी, द पीस मेकर. सो महात्मा गांधी ने हमें बताया था कि उनके 3 बंदर के थ्रू उन्होंने 3 बंदर दिखाए थे. बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सोचो, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत सुनो एंड बुरा मत सोचो, राइट? चौथा बंदर हमने खुद बना दिया. सो बुरा मत सोचो वाला. सो उससे हमें ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि जब हमारा माइंड एक शांत प्लेस पे रहेगा, एक एनर्जी ग्रुप में रहेगा, तब आपको एक डिफरेंट मैं आपको आपकी नई हैबिट्स के ऊपर वर्क करूँगी, आपको नई हैबिट्स बिल्ड करने के ऊपर वर्क करूँगी, आपको बताऊँगी क्या करना है, डूज एंड डोंट्स इन लाइफ. अगर आप ये सब करोगे, आप बुरा मत सोचो, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, अगर ये सारी चीज़ें डिफरेंट, मतलब लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे महात्मा गांधी। सो बंदर रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है हमारा माइंड। अगर हमने ये सब चीज़ों के ऊपर वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर दिया तो बिलीव मी, योर माइंड विल बिकम मोर एंड मोर पीसफुल, यू विल बिकम मोर एंड मोर पीसफुल, बिकॉज आपका माइंड ओवर थिंक नहीं करेगा, प्रोकास्टिनेट नहीं करेगा। सो इट्स वेरी गुड कि अगर हम 3 मंथ्स की जर्नी एक ग्रुप में करते हैं, एक एनर्जी रहती है, हर कोई पर्सन वर्क कर रहा है, हर कोई पर्सन शेयर कर रहा है, तो 3 मंथ्स आर इनफ टू चेंज। एंड इफ़ यू रियली वांटेड टू चेंज, just give yourself 3 months. Thank you so much everyone, sending lots of love and blessings. And the video I have created is just a simple talk. I felt whatever I wanted to share, I share it here. So if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on 9915588770. Thank you, love you.